Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just under 76,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, hands-free calling and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, to the left we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, vehicle settings and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our AC with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between normal, sport, individual and eco.